Hi, my adorable my friends. So today I would like to share with you how to sculpt this tiny baby. The dress, you can dress any dress you like. The main thing I want to share with you how to build this very easy baby doll, which you can, after you can play, you can have fun, and that's I want to share with you. So if you have a clay and tools, grab it and let's start our tutorial. Don't forget, if you have a question, leave the comment. Always when you start making doll, always you pre-bake the head with eyes. It's easy to sculpt, and after you apply the second layer of the clay and start building. As you can see, I started from forehead and apply the clay. So follow my tutorial and don't rush. Take easy and practice, and you will build very beautiful doll for yourself. So after when you start sculpting, we're gonna paint, we're gonna sculpt the head, hands, legs, and after our doll gonna be ready. So when you apply the cheeks, try to not push with your finger very hard and take it easy. As you can see, if you want a very chubby, cute baby, then you can add more clay, or you can just take it off. That's fine. It's up to you what type of baby you want to sculpt. And always, as I always say to my students and my friends who sculpt with me, don't rush. If you see something is not you're sculpting, you don't like it, it's okay, because my first doll which I created, it was absolutely disaster. So that's, we all do mistake. Don't be worried about mistakes, keep going and do practice. As you can see, I'm using very soft tool, and you just use for cheek, for eyes, and just keep going. Okay, take easy. So guys, as you see, we already nearly sculpted the lips, and after this, when you finish it, you need to smooth your doll head with a brush and oil. And after, or you can smooth with your hand. It's you see what you prefer. After, you must bake it. After bake it, we're gonna start painting. That's gonna be part 2, so don't miss it.